So many options traders are making the transition from options to futures, and you're probably one of them. Something they all struggle with, though, coming from ETFs or equities that only trade during the New York session, they're wondering why their NQ or ES or general futures chart looks so different from their equities charts like QQQ or SPY. So here we have the QQQ 4-hour time frame, and you can see we have the overnight gaps. This is something some traders and myself really enjoy using in their analysis, whether it be gap fills, breakaway gaps, gap and trap, right? It's something that a lot of people like using in their trading styles, particularly those trading equities or options during the New York session. As we can see here on QQQ, we got a pretty large gap down to end the week last week, and then we filled that gap yesterday. Might have been something that an options trader was looking for in their strategy and style, and they're really interested in trading NQ now on top of QQQ. But we can see when I come to NQ on the same time frame, 1-hour time frame, that gap fill is not as clear to me, and maybe I missed this move because I'm so used to options and equities only during New York session. I completely missed this move altogether. So what we can do, this is on all trading platforms. I did have Thinkorswim open there. If you saw before, here we have Alpha Ticks by Project X open on the NQ chart. Something we can do here is going to be my trading hours settings here in the bottom right. So those of you that use TradingView, they actually have this listed as electronic trading hours. Alpha Ticks has it as extended trading hours. I like the extended trading hours label better. I think it makes more sense than the electronic trading hours. But if I switch this to regular trading hours, you can see these charts look way more similar now. And this is only tracking the New York session. Again, we can see this nice gap fill now from the overnight session. So those of you trading the London or Asian session, you will be using the extended trading hours, absolutely. Those of you making the transition from options or shares trading, equities trading, I really recommend getting used to using the RTH, regular trading hours, when it comes to futures. Just something that makes the transition a little bit easier, in my opinion. And again, if you're somebody that likes using overnight gap fills as a trading crutch in your analysis, this is the best and easiest way to keep that as part of your everyday routine, is going to be using those RTH versus ETH settings. And again, this is available on all major brokerages as well as TradingView. Even if we come to my Thinkorswim here, I actually have this preset on my NQ. If we go to it on Thinkorswim here, you can see I still have those gaps represented pretty well here with my RTH settings on Thinkorswim as well. And again, just so you guys can see on QQQ, nice gap fill, but that does not show up on NQ if I were on ETH setting here. So again, if you're somebody coming over from options guys trading equities in the New York session, if you're used to seeing charts that way, pretty easy fix to make that transition a little bit easier for you. I personally prefer futures over options because of the lack of theta, which those of you, if you're trading options, you know is time decay. There is no time decay on futures, which in my opinion is why it makes it a much better asset to trade. So just a very small trick of the trade for you guys here today, making the transition from options to futures. If there's anything else any of you are struggling with, please make sure to comment them on this video or any of our other videos. We'll be looking to do more tips and tricks like this. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and again, comment anything you're struggling with so we know how we can help you out. I will catch you all in the next video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.